Good morning children. We are again back in our science class, and today in this class we will learn new chapter, that is plants in the surrounding. So students, you can see many plants and trees in the surrounding. As you go in the garden or outside your home, you can find many plants and trees are there. So students, as all the living beings, they have some body parts, as we have learned in the previous chapters also, that insects, about the insects and the body parts of the insects. We human beings also have body parts, like we have hand, we have eyes, then head, and we have legs. So the plants also likewise, they have some body parts. So today we will learn about the body parts of the plant and different types of roots they have. So this also we will discuss today. So students, we will discuss about the body parts of a plant. So students, the body part of a plants are divided into two main parts. Okay, as you can see here in the picture, two main parts. The first part which will be under the ground, that is root. So this is the first part, and whatever is above the root, that will be the shoot part of the plant. So two parts are there, that is root and the shoot. So in the root part we have only roots are present in that. So that will be below the ground. So only root is present, but in the shoot part we have all the different parts of a plant. Like we have stem here, stem, then we have leaf, then we have flowers, then we have fruits in the shoot part. So these are the shoot parts we have, and root part we have only the roots. So this is a part of a plant. Next you come here, we will discuss about the two types of root that is given in your book. That is, first one is tap root and the next one is fibrous root. So students, as you can see here in the tap root, we have smaller side branches. Okay, from the stem the smaller side branches are joined, and that is below the ground. So this is a tap root, and you will find this tap root in a like big trees like peepal tree. If you see the root of the peepal tree, then you will find this kind of root, tap root, that is the side branches that you can differentiate the branches of the root. Next you can also find this in the turnip plant. If you see the root of the turnip plant, then also you will get the tap root. Next we have is a fibrous root. So fibrous roots, also the stem, from the stem many branches are joined from the stem. So they form a kind of bushy structure that you cannot differentiate the branches of the roots. So as you can see here, many branches, smaller branches are joined from the stem. So these kind of roots are known as fibrous roots. And if we will take an example, then this root we will find in the grasses, as commonly found grass. If you can see the down part of the grass, the root, you will see the bushy kind of structure, that is fibrous root. And also you can find this fibrous root in the onion plants also. If you pluck or see the root of onion plant, then also you will get this fibrous root. And also we have in the rice plant, and also in the wheat also you can get this kind of fibrous root. So next we will talk about, that is function of a root. So what is the function of a root? So usually student, the function of a root is the root keeps the plant very strong. It keeps the plant very firm, because root are below the ground, and this root will only keep the plant strong. If the wind comes also, the plant will not break, or the plant will not fall down because of the root. So root is keeping them very strong, and also root provides them the waters and minerals. Okay students, whenever you are watering a plant, what happens? The everything that is goes inside the root. So from the ground the water is going inside the root, and the root will take in all minerals, and the root will only divide all the minerals and water to different parts of a plant. Like root will supply the minerals and water to the stem, and from the stem it will supply to the leaves and to the flowers. So root plays a very important role in providing food and minerals to the plant. And roots also keep the soil very firm. When the roots are below the ground, so the soil will be very firm, and it prevents soil erosion. Okay, so these are some of the functions of root. So we will discuss the next topic in our next classes again.